Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anish. If you're not subscribed, please consider to subscribe. As many friends asked me, I'm going to test the noise level of Tata Tigor, a 3-cylinder petrol engine, inside, outside, while running with and without AC. Before that guys, you need to know that the maximum noise limit for a passenger car in India is 82 decibels. Come, let's go into the video quick. So guys, let me turn on the ignition first. I'm going to measure the noise level with this sound meter. I'm gonna on this noise level. Now I'm going to turn on the ignition. So the maximum level is 60 and average is 51. 60 is good. Yes, I'm going to raise the acceleration now. For 2000 rpm, it raises up to 74. 3000 rpm. So up to 3000 rpm, the maximum sound level is 74 dB. It is a good one actually, not bad. So guys, let me measure the engine noise opening the bonnet. Let's go out. So the peak one, it touches up to 74. That's actually good comparing to the older version. The BS6 version has been improved a lot. So let me raise the acceleration and see how it works. So guys, maximum it is touching up to 78 dB. I think it is average and good for a 3-cylinder engine. Let me know in comments. Let's move the car and see how it sounds. How far the noise level is. I'm touching 2000 rpm. I'm moving in third gear, 38 km per hour. The AC is turned off. This is what the sound you'll get inside the cabin. I'm gonna raise the acceleration now. This is what the noise level you'll get in the 5th gear. The AC is completely turned off. The car is moving in 1500 rpm. Let's see how fast this car can go. Guys, I'm going in 107, 108 and 110. The car feels so steady. Even at 120, the car feels so steady. The car is very stable. And this is the noise you will get inside the car. I'm going to reduce the speed now. And the braking is absolutely good. I mean, I can say it is good. Now let's see how it sounds when the AC is turned on. So I'm gonna turn on the AC now. I'm keeping the AC speed in 2. So this is what the sound you'll get inside the car when the AC is turned on. And guys, I need to tell you the drive quality is seriously good. You will not seriously regret after buying this car. So guys, my final verdict is Tata has improved a lot in BS6 version, and I don't feel any big noise disturbance, rather a calm drive on a 3-cylinder engine. I recommend you to please go for a test drive and feel the drive. That's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you want to do more tests on this car, please let me know. I'll do it for you. Tada, bye.